Hi guys, Scott here from Outlaw Garage. Today we're off on an adventure. We're off to find Australia's and Melbourne's equivalent of Area 51. Today we're going alien hunting. But as usual, before we head off, because we are going to get a spot of lunch first, because you cannot go alien hunting without a full stomach, so we're going to find somewhere local to get something to eat. We have got the crew here, so we've got a good mix with us today. A little bit different from usual. We've got Tony's McLaren here, always looking spectacular. There she is, sat there. Stephen's here in his Carrera. We've got the Ruth here. Look at that. So this is joining us for another drive. Slant nose. Look at that beast. What a setup there with the Ruth, the Carrera and the McLaren there. Down here we've got an Aston Martin. I think this is the Red Bull Aston Martin. We'll take a closer look at this one in a minute when we've just done a walk around the car park. We are here in our 930. Joseph and his Lotus. It doesn't get much coverage on the channel, but there it is. The Turbo Targ that we've had on the channel before. And everybody's kind of here, so we might just take a quick look at the Aston Martin before we shoot off, fill our stomachs and go alien hunting in Area 51. So here we go, we crack the bonnet of the Aston. There's the plaque, and that is the signature of Danny Ricciardo. We'll have a look inside as well because it's got some plaques in there, but look at that. Here down the side as well, I hope that's in focus, the Red Bull Racing Formula 1 team on the carbon fibre. Just inside it, it's a manual gearbox. It's got the red and yellow and blue, so the theme is throughout Red Bull Racing on the headrest there, and then on the plaque as well. I think we're going to enjoy seeing this out on the road today. That is going to be fun. Alright, so we're here at the Whistle Stop Tavern. You cannot go alien hunting, supernatural experiences without getting a full stomach. Carrera R930's here. She's running really, really well at the moment, so really chuffed to bits with her. A lot better than R356 at the moment. 996. Stephen and his Carrera that always stop us getting lost. C2. I think the Aston Martin peeled off and we lost the Aston Martin on the way. But we've still got the Turbo Targ. And the roof is still here. We just lost the Aston Martin. I don't think they were coming all the way, weren't they?
Turned off.
Yeah. Let's get some lunch. So here we are, we're Mulder and Scully in it today. We are searching for the truth. The truth is out there somewhere. We have a magical ball with us. It senses supernatural powers. It may look like a ball from Jiggy and Matilda, but it's actually an anti-gravity sensing ball with us today. So we're gonna see if this actually works. We are all here. And it actually looks uphill. But the ball is meant to roll uphill. So let's see if we can get that to work. That's actually rolling uphill. It's rolling uphill. Yeah. How weird's that? You're rolling uphill. So we're going to give the ball a go. We're going to wait for this car to go past. But that is definitely uphill. And Joseph's car rolled uphill. I think we've found a time and space anomaly. Let's see how this works. Here we go. Well, that's a bit of a letdown as well. No, it's just rolled off into the ditch. Hang on a minute.
Oh, look.
Hang on. We've got a ball rolling uphill. No, it's not.
It's not.
It's definitely aliens. It's definitely aliens. We've not come here for an optical illusion. Try there. That's it. That's clearly where the aliens have honed in their anti-gravity. Because look at that. That is hooning along now.
They're probing me now.
Yeah.
Oh, that was no acceleration, right? Oh, right. Is it literally?
Yeah.
Well, that's it. We have experienced the aliens. We are off to Hanging Rock now to see what other supernatural activities we can find.
So there's two volcanoes here. There's Hanging Rock, which is extinct, and Camel's Hump. And Camel's Hump, when it erupted, all the bluestone flowed in rivers and got to Melbourne, and once it hit the Yarra it cooled. So Melbourne was built out of bluestone, and it's from the area, but it's off in the Fairfield area, which is where it flowed to.
And volcanoes can be a little bit mystical.
Yeah.
And is bluestone, that blue rock bluestone, is that renowned for attracting alien life forms? Or
yeah, it surely is.
Vampire Cliff. We are here in the world of the supernatural. So here we are, Hanging Rock. A bit out of breath. That was surprisingly hard work.
I just call it Triple I here.
I did think it'd be bigger.
That's what she said.
It's more of a I fell over rock.
I'll have a look at when my heart starts again. 2 minutes of shutdown.
It's a big rock.
Oh,
I'm sure
this is where they must have disappeared. There's a alien void.
Sure, he said no. Don't do stairs.
Oh, what the fuck?
I wouldn't go too far in there.
Hey, there's a nice little walkway in there. That looks neat.
We'll have to go up to the top. How you feeling?
All right.
Yeah. There we go. We are at the top of the volcano here in Victoria.
Over there.
Is that just over there? We'll go up there in a minute. Over in that direction is the second volcano. So these are the two pinnacles of alien activity where people came first. They had a bit of a rest because it was a long trip, and then they went off to the pyramids. But these are them.
Straws Lane's in the middle of the two.
Oh,
So try and explain that one.
oh,
mate.
is it?
Yeah.
What just happened?
Straws Lane is just
Lane?
there. It's in the centre of these two, more or less. Hey.
How did I know you?
So by a ley line, there is the anti-gravity between the two volcanoes. Okay. And then you were saying 82 was the big fire?
I think it was 82, Ash Wednesday. Yeah, and that, or the Mount Macedon burned.
83.
Yeah?
Yeah. It started in the Wombat State Forest out there,
Yeah.
the power pole, and came through here and straight through.
That's a massive area.
It was a huge fire.
Because you hear about it, and obviously it has a,
Yeah.
there's a history
And there's
of it
also
here in
fires
Victoria.
in Cockatoo and one Aries Inlet. Everyone had to go to the beach.
I remember the
Get away
wall
from
of smoke when we were down in Melbourne coming towards you. Just the ash that dropped.
Yeah,
Wow.
it's unreal.
Yeah, because when they talk about it on the news and things about how bad it was, you actually kind of get a
Sensational view.
perspective of how vast that
Yeah.
must have been. Amazing, really. Yeah. So we're going to give Joseph a bump to get to the top.
You want your camera? I'll
You
use it.
realise getting up is easier than getting down.
Just from here to there and then there.
Off you go.
You're not a goat, you know.
Can you just pass your Lotus keys over?
yeah. Before all the way off the top.
Get back.
Are we taking dibs on Joseph's stuff now? He's going.
He's on. He's off.
Look, he's up. He's just like a miniature Spider-Man.
Well, he's built for this kind of.
Yeah, he is, yeah.
You're far from home.
You realise I need to publish this video, so you falling off isn't going to help me.
How's the view?
He was just made for that, wasn't he?
Yeah.
View.
Is it good?
Not bad.
Yeah?
Oh, that deserves a profile picture. So there was a movie here, Picnic at Hanging Rock. 4 girls disappeared and got lost, which we swear to God they were stolen by aliens. And this is the second part of our alien trip today. So this is it. Along with us getting lost because aliens have trapped us, we seem to have been caught in this time warp where we can't get down anymore. We've walked around and around for hours. It feels like the Blair Witch.
The GPS is just going left and right and spinning around, like it won't even give us
I think we're going up.
Well,
My body's coming
from the top.
Should we start killing people now?
This is like
There we go, we've done our bit for Tourism Victoria again. Today we've seen a car roll uphill, we've seen one of the volcanoes here in Victoria, and we've had a great day out. Lunch was fantastic. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. We'll see you later, guys. Bye!